Today we are going to understand what are JIRA project versions. You can track project progress in terms of milestones like feature rollout or hotfixes with the help of project versions. Project versions are also known as releases. We can then plan sprints within versions to track parts of features like modules. Now, the question is, who can create or manage versions in a project? Not everyone is allowed to create versions within a project. You need to at least have project administrator privileges to manage versions. Now, who are project administrators? I have created detailed video on this topic. You will find video link in description below. Now, let's head over to JIRA console and understand how to create and manage versions within a project. We are in JIRA console now. Let's log in with the user who has project administrator rights. We have seen in our last video how to give user project administrator privileges. Now our user project admin has project administrator rights, so let's log in with that. We are now logged in with the project administrator. Let's go to the customer support project to which this user has project admin rights. Let's click on project settings and then click on versions. You can see we have not added any versions in this project yet. So, when you try to create issue in this project, you will see that fixed versions which take value from versions or releases is mentioned as none over here. So, let's go back to the versions tab. Now, let's add some versions. You can add start date and target date, that is release date for this version, but it is optional. You can add description as well. Then you can add another versions. Once your release is over, you can mark it as released. You can add the date and then mark it as released. You have an option to archive releases as well. Once you archive, you can unarchive it as well. And if you by mistake make it release, then you can unrelease it as well. Okay, so let's now try to create issues with these versions. You can now see that in fixed version drop down we are getting these two values which were not present earlier. Mention the relevant version and then click on create. You can see fixed version has been mentioned here. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.